Here's a rewritten version of your script with a fresh, unique perspective while maintaining the original message. The truth about crypto transparency, my XRP journey. Today marks an exciting start to the new year, especially for those holding ISO 2022 coins. XRP has soared past 230 cents and other coins like XLM are making remarkable gains. It's an exhilarating time for crypto enthusiasts, but today I want to address a topic that often goes unspoken: transparency among crypto YouTubers. We see countless creators championing specific cryptocurrencies, often milking the YouTube algorithm with sensational predictions and hype-filled content. Yet, many fail to disclose their actual holdings. The ethos of cryptocurrency is built on accountability, trust, and transparency. So why are some YouTubers so hesitant to show their positions? Let me set an example. Here's a look at my current XRP holdings. Total XRP owned, 11,580 plus. Current profit in the 5-digit range. Average buy price, approximately $1.20. My crypto journey with XRP has been a long one. I've been investing since the days it was as low as 4 cents. Over the years, I've swung between trading and holding, taking profits along the way. However, this time, I'm committed to holding for the long term because I genuinely believe in XRP's potential. The problem with blind trust. It's easy to find creators who talk a big game about XRP or other cryptos without ever revealing their own stakes. This lack of transparency raises serious questions. Are they truly invested, or are they just chasing views? If they're not personally invested, they lose nothing if the market turns south. Yet, they'll profit handsomely if the hype they generate drives prices up and boosts their ad revenue. Transparency builds trust. If you're following someone for investment advice, ensure they have skin in the game. Blindly believing anyone's words without proof is risky. It's not research. It's entering a cult-like echo chamber. The future of XRP. I'm optimistic about XRP's future, but remain cautious about certain developments. Questions linger about mass adoption, the role of RLUSD and other stablecoins on the XRP ledger, and how Ripple will continue supporting XRP's decentralization. The possibility of a crypto-friendly SEC under a new administration excites me, as does the potential launch of an XRP ETF. However, I remain committed to conducting thorough research and sharing insights with you, not just hype. No shady practices here. Unlike many YouTubers, I don't rely on affiliate links, paid courses, or shady sponsorships. My channel is about genuine engagement, accountability, and learning together. You'll never find get-rich-quick schemes here. Instead, I aim to foster healthy discussions that challenge conventional narratives and encourage critical thinking. Your financial and mental health matters. As we navigate this volatile space, remember to keep things in perspective. Whether your portfolio is thriving or struggling, your mental health and overall well-being should always come first. Crypto is just one part of life. Don't let it overshadow what truly matters. Stay transparent. Stay accountable. To the creators out there who refuse to show their holdings, accountability is not optional. If your audience is putting their trust in you, the least you can do is prove your alignment with the values you preach. For my part, I'll continue sharing my journey, including my successes, doubts, and ongoing research. Thank you to everyone who's supported this channel over the years. To my OG followers since 2020, I deeply appreciate your loyalty. If there's a crypto project or topic you want me to cover, let me know in the comments. And as always, keep learning, stay skeptical, and don't forget to prioritize what truly matters in life. See you in the next video.